Stepping into the world of cybersecurity feels like entering a digital battlefield. Every day, we face threats that can compromise our identities and data. In this course, we'll unravel the essential principles of cybersecurity, equipping you with the knowledge to safeguard systems and networks. You'll learn to identify common attack vectors, from phishing scams to social engineering tactics, and understand the frameworks that keep us secure. We'll dive deep into practical strategies, exploring firewalls, encryption, and how to secure cloud environments. By engaging with real-world scenarios, you'll not only grasp key concepts, but also develop hands-on skills. Imagine being empowered to protect vital information and respond effectively to incidents. Whether you're a student, a professional, or part of an organization, this journey will instill a security-first mindset. Enroll now and get ready to take charge of digital security in a world that's more interconnected than ever.